Morning friends, class 7, chapter number 9, lines and angles. In the previous video, we discussed about basic of the chapter, in which we discussed about ray, line segment, type of angles, adjacent angles, linear pair, vertical opposite, complementary angle, supplementary angle, and so on. And we have complete out exercise 9.1 up to question number 3. Now we start question number 4. In the question number 4, the figure is given and we have to find out x, y and z. Firstly, we have to find out x. We observe that these two angles have one arm common and their non-common arms are opposite to each other. It means we can say that these two angles in which this arm is common and their non-common arms are opposite to each other. So these angles are linear pair angles. And we know that linear pair angles are supplementary. It means their sum is 180 degree. So we note down angle POS plus angle QOS is equal to 180 degree. And what is the reason? Linear pair angles. Angle POS x degree plus QOS 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. So after calculation, x degree is equal to 120 degree. So x is equal to 120. Now we have to find out y. To find out y, we observe that these two lines intersect each other at O. Like this, it is a line PQ and it is the line SR. Intersect each other at O. When two lines intersect each other, then the angles opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angles. So these two angles are vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are always equal. So we can use PQ and SR intersect each other at O. So angle POR is equal to angle QOS. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. So y degree is equal to 60 degree. It means y is equal to 60. Now we have to find out z. Again, this angle and this angle, it means this complete angle is equal to this angle, because these both angles are also vertically opposite angle, because again PQ and SR intersect each other at O. So these two angles are also vertically opposite angles. So we note down PQ and SR intersect each other at O. So angle QOR is equal to angle POS. Reason again, vertically opposite angles. Angle QOR is divided into two angles. So we note down z degree plus 50 degree is equal to x degree. And what is the value of x degree? Which is 120 degree. So z degree is equal to 70 degree. It's mean Z is equal to 70. I sure question number 4 is clear. Just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 5. In the question number 5, we have to identify these pair of angles are complementary angles or supplementary angles. So what is the complementary angles? Complementary angles are sum of these two angles is 90 degree are called complementary angles, and sum of these two angles is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. So we observe the pair of angle and find out their sum. If sum is 90 degree complementary, if sum is 180 degree, then it is supplementary. First pair 47 degree and 133 degree. So we find out their sum. And obviously their sum is 180 degree. So we can say that this pair of angles is supplementary angles. Next pair 82 degree comma 8 degree. 82 degree plus 8 degree and their sum obviously 90 degree. So this pair of angle is complementary. Next pair 84 degree comma 96 degree. So 84 degree plus 96 degree and their sum is again 180 degree. So this pair of angle is supplementary angle. So similarly you can do its all part and it's very easy. Just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 6. In the question number 6, figure is given in which 12 angles are represent. Angle 1, angle 2, 3, 4 and so on. And the question is divided into 5 parts. In the first part, we have to consider that are the following angles are adjacent angles. यहाँ पर कुछ 3 पेयर दे रखे हैं, तो आपको कंसिडर करना है कि ये पेयर adjacent angles को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं या नहीं. फर्स्ट पेयर angle 1, angle 4. तो to discuss this pair is adjacent, yes or no, firstly we revise again adjacent angles. So what are the adjacent angles? Suppose these are two angles. It is the vertex of the angles and these are arms of the angles. Now we have to draw two angles like this. Both angles have same vertex and both have one arm common and their non-common arms are opposite to common arm. तो जो भी दो एंगल इन 3 कंडीशंस को पूरा करेंगे दे आर कॉल्ड एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. नाउ वी डिस्कस एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 4. एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 4, these two angles are like this. So these angles have a common vertex. First condition is complete. Both have one common arm. Second condition also complete. And their non-common arms are opposite to common arm. So these angles complete the 3 conditions of the adjacent angles. So it is a pair of adjacent angles. Angle 4 and angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 5. Both angles are like this. Angle 4 and angle 5. First condition, both angles have a common vertex. But we observe that its vertex is this and the vertex is this. Both is not common. So first condition is not complete. So it is not a pair of adjacent angles. Angle 3 and angle 8. Both angles are like this. Angle 3, angle 8. Again, both angles does not have a common vertex. So first condition can't complete. So this pair also not adjacent angles. I show first पार्ट इज क्लियर कि ये एंगल्स एडजेसेंट हैं या नहीं. जस्ट नोट डाउन. Okay students, now we discuss the second part in which we have to consider that these pair of angles are vertically opposite angles, yes or no. So to find out pair of angles are vertically opposite angle, yes or no, first you discuss again what is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles, again repeat, when two lines intersect each other, यानी कि first condition there must be two lines and both lines intersect at one point, then the angles opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angles. These two angles are vertically opposite angles and these two angles are also vertically opposite angles. Now we consider that angle 10 and angle 12, these two angles are like this. And obviously we can say that in both two angles, two lines intersect each other at this point and these angles are opposite to each other. So these angles are vertically opposite angles, yes. Angle 3 and angle 9, according to the position of the angle, both angles are like this, angle 3 and angle 9. So we observe that they does not complete the property of vertically opposite angle because there are three lines and we have to require only two lines. So these angles are not vertically opposite angles. Angle 7 comma angle 5, angle 7 comma angle 5, the position of the angles like this, and we observe that these two angles are created when two lines intersect each other. The first condition is complete and these two angles are exact opposite to each other, so these angles are vertically opposite angles. I sure the question is clear, just note down. Okay students, now we discuss its C part. In the part there are pair of angles are given and we have to consider that these pair of angles are supplementary angles, yes or no. So to decide these angles are supplementary angles, yes or no, first we discuss about supplementary angles again. Supplementary angles, a pair of angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. So we check angle 8 and angle 10 कि इन दोनों का सम मतलब 180 डिग्री है या नहीं. Angle 8 and angle 10, the position of these two angles are like this, angle 10 and angle 8. So according to the figure we can't sure that sum of these two angles is 180 degree, so these angles are not supplementary angles. Angle 9 and angle 10, so according to the figure we observe that these two angles are like this. इट्स मीन अगर हम दोनों एंगलों को मिलाकर स्टडी करें then it is a straight angle, it's mean 180 degree. So these angles are angle 9 or angle 12, angle 9 and angle 12, yes, angle 9 comma angle 12, yes, these two angles make a straight angle, यानी कि sum of these two angles 180 degree, so these angles are supplementary angles. Angle 3 and angle 4, so according to the figure we observe that these two angles make a straight angle and sum of these two angles is 180 degrees, so these angles are again supplementary angles. Just note down. Okay students, it's D part. In the part D we have to find out then these pair of angles are linear pair angles, yes or no. So we again discuss about linear pair angles. Linear pair angles, adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree. या आप ये क्यों कर सकते हो कि adjacent angle in which non-common arms are opposite to each other. It's mean it's a first angle and it's a second angle, and in the both angle it is a common vertex, it is a non-common arm, common arm, and their non-common arms are exact opposite to each other. So these angles are called linear pair angles. Now we observe that angle 1 and angle 2, it's a common vertex, it is a common arm, and their non-common arms are opposite to each other. So these angles are linear pair angles. Angle 5 comma angle 8, according to the figure both angles are like this. So again it is a common vertex, it is a common arm, and their non-common arms are opposite to each other. So these angles are also linear pair angles. Angle 8 and angle 9, according to the figure these angles are like this, they does not have a common vertex. So these angles are not linear pair angles. I sure it is clear, just note down. Okay students, now we discuss its E part. In the E part we have note down 3 angles whose sum is 180 degree. We notice that it is a triangle, and in a triangle sum of all interior angles is 180 degree. So we can say that angle 3 comma angle 8 and angle 9, these are 3 angles whose sum is 180 degree. I sure the question number 6 is clear, just note down. In the next video we continue exercise 9.1. Thank you very much.